I'll now describe the W Series Wide Travel Compact Machining Center in detail. The Wide Travel Compact Machining Center features the largest travels and loading capacity among BT30 machines. Travels are 1000 mm for X-axis, 500 mm for Y-axis, and 380 mm for Z-axis. The maximum table loading capacity is 500 kg. Both the Speedio's productivity and environmental performance, which have been constantly improved over the years, are reflected in the W series. The W1000Xd2 provides the largest travel area and table size in the history of BT30 machines. As basic specifications, travels are 1000 mm for X-axis and 500 mm for Y-axis. The table size is 1100 mm in width and 500 mm in depth. The maximum loading capacity is 500 kg. Customers who could not install BT30 machines due to their workpiece size can now consider replacement with the highly productive eco-friendly W1000Xd2. Furthermore, the high column option enables a trunnion jig with a turning diameter of up to 540 mm to be mounted. You can also consider the W1000Xd2 when implementing process integration at your premises. The W1000Xd2 can replace BT40 machines in a variety of situations, for example, where machining large workpieces is performed. Due to changes in automobile industries, such as shifting to EVs, large aluminum workpieces have increased. In addition to automobile parts, the W1000Xd2 can also be used for single or multi-face machining of large workpieces, including long and disc-shaped workpieces. There are cases where the W1000Xd2 is used for two-part machining of medium-sized workpieces, such as cases and covers. This helps improve productivity and save space at your production sites. For mass production, the machine performs multi-part machining of small workpieces. Even for areas other than mass production, many customers have installed our W series because of its ample machining area and usability. These are specific workpiece examples. The size of aluminum die-cast parts has increased due to a shift to EVs. To machine these parts, such as cases, frames, and panels, the W series demonstrates its abilities in improving on-site productivity. In addition to automobile aluminum parts, the W1000Xd2 can also be used by customers involved in machining steel workpieces, such as frames, discs, and molds. The W1000Xd2 enables machining that was previously not possible by BT30 machines.